Welcome everyone. We're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do a speed sculpt and provide some commentary over top. We're going to be making the bear for my game, Pogo Bear. So at this point we're doing a basic block modeling setup, which entails creating a block, subdividing it with Control R, and removing half the vertices, adding a mirror modifier, and then a subsurface modifier to add some basic curves. So as you can see, I'm at this point doing some extrusions with the E key and some movements with G and S for scaling. So there's two keys to doing this kind of block modeling. The first is proportional editing, which you can enable and disable with the O key. That lets you, instead of tweaking just your selection, it will modify nearby vertices as well with a fall off. The other is edge slide, which is when you're selecting an edge or a vertex, you can move it with not only G, but pressing G again will let you kind of slide the edge along the mesh to kind of keep everything fit. Speaking of fit, we are giving this bear a little bit of a belly just to kind of give it a stronger silhouette. One issue I ran into is a seam down the center, and it turned out that it was caused by these faces in the interior. So when you're using the mirror, be careful about turning clipping on and off. You might wind up with interior faces. So this is a real quick sculpt, and I'm not going for a really high level of detail. Again, just the basic silhouette is all we need here. So I'm going to pull it into Unity, make sure all our normals are right, and our scale is okay. I'm trying out this texture technique where I generate clouds in paint.net and then increase the contrast until I get sharp lines. And that works. I'm just going to set which parts of the panda are going to use that texture and which are just going to be white. And at this point we're pretty much done. I think we're just going to add some eyes and call it a day. It was kind of lazy here and I didn't bother with the mirror modifier, just hand placing. And so there's the panda in game. I hope you enjoyed and or learned a thing or two. Thanks for watching.